Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to activate your Perx card. First, you need to go to the browser, type Perx activate card, then go to this first link, click on the link, and you are able to see this page. First, you need to go to this website and create your account. After creating the account, you need to log in with your active card credentials, like log in with your account details. Select to receive your verification code via SMS or email. Check your device or inbox for verification, enter code and verify. After that, you need to set your security code, which are 4 digit, and make sure to remember it. After that, click on My Cards. After clicking on My Cards, activate your card using the activation code provided by your gifter, whoever has gifted you. Then enable 3D Secure for online purchases. And for that, go to My Cards, select View from the Actions menu, then click 3D's Enrollment and fill in the details. Then click Enable, and then you are ready to use your card. If you found this video useful, then please like and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.